this video, I will show you how to disable contact join notifications on Signal Messenger. So first of all, open up your app and from here navigate to the initials at the top left to access the settings. So let's go ahead and click on this and then click on settings. And from our settings, we're going to click on privacy. And from privacy, we're going to click on phone number all the way at the top. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then it has to do with the visibility. So when people are receiving notifications to join you as a contact, this has to do with visibility of your phone number. And you can actually turn this off in this section in here. So right now, my phone number is visible for everybody, as you can see, but you just need to put this to nobody. And who can find me by my number? This is actually the most important thing for this topic. Then you need to put this on nobody if you do not want to receive join notifications from contacts. And this will also mean that contacts will not see that you are on Signal. So this way you won't get these notifications anymore. So simply click on nobody and then you need to click on OK. And then this problem is solved. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.